Hi, my name is Emily. I work for Lake Oswego Parks and Recreation, and I am your farmer's market manager. Today, I'm going to teach you how to fold a dumpling in 2 different ways for Asian Pacific American Heritage Month. To make the dumplings, all you need to do is make a meat mixture, and this can be really any protein that you have available left over in your fridge. This one is ground pork, Napa cabbage, some shiitake mushroom, soy sauce, sesame oil, and a few other ingredients thrown in there that was left over in my fridge. And then you need gyoza wrappers, and these you can just get at the produce aisle of the grocery store, and they're kind of in the refrigerated section where you can find tofu and other ingredients. And just make sure that you get the round ones. They look like this when they're out of the package. I'm gonna teach you to fold a dumpling 2 different ways. It's a crescent moon form in one direction, it looks like this, and then a crescent moon fold in 2 directions. First, we're gonna make the crescent moon in one direction. So as you can see, the folds kind of move in a singular direction. So first, I prepped this dumpling wrapper with some meat in the middle. You wanna make sure that there's a good distance around that allows for the folding. If you stuff it too full with the filling, it can burst out of the sides. The next step is I'm just taking a little bit of water and putting it on the edge of the wrapper here. Next, you want to fold it in half. And so you're not going to press the sides together. You're going to kind of fold it in half like a taco. And so what we're going to do is we're going to fold one edge and keep the other edge straight and then pinch them together. So I'm going to fold this one side and then pinch it on the flat side. So this back side is going to stay flat and this one we're folding. And you're just going to fold it, fold it, fold it, and keep folding it until it closes. So it looks like that when it's all done. So we're gonna do this one more time. So this is the one direction crescent moon. So fold it in half, kind of like a taco. Keep one side flat. This is the side we're gonna fold. Fold it, pinch, fold it, pinch. Like that. Okay, and then this is going to be the 2-direction crescent moon fold like this. So it's the same concept, but you're gonna pinch in one direction 3 times and then pinch and fold in the other direction, the opposite direction. So you meet in the middle, and that's kind of the concept behind this. So you can still do the first, fold in half like a taco, fold in one direction, 1, 2, 3. And then you start from the other side of the dumpling and you fold it into the middle. 1. Oh, this one's full. That one's too full. But that's kind of the idea. That's why you want to make sure you don't fill your filling too full. But we'll do one more. Okay, we're gonna try the 2-way crescent moon one more time because I overstepped that last dumpling. So we're gonna fold inward, so your folds are gonna point towards the middle. So 1, 2, and 3. So see how those 3 folds are pointing inward? And then we're gonna fold the next 3 in the opposite direction, so pointing back. So 1, 2, and 3. And that's the 2-way crescent moon. I'm actually going to teach you how to fold one more. This is called the rose fold or the Buddha's belly because it kind of looks like a Buddha belly in the middle. And this one you can also do with the round gyoza wrappers. So all you have to do, this one's an easier fold for beginners too. So wet the outside of the wrapper, fold it in half. And this time when we fold it in half, we're going to pinch it together. So just pinch, 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 pinch so that you have a crescent moon shape. And then all you're gonna do, you can set it on there just on the counter to balance. You're just gonna fold the corners in, so pinching them together and then squeeze them in place like that. Super easy. Okay, now that all of these dumplings have been folded, I obviously cannot eat all of them in one sitting. So what I like to do is to freeze them. Place all the dumplings on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper first and separate them out so that they're not touching. And this is how you want to freeze them initially for like the first hour or 2 so that they won't stick when you put them in a bag. If you throw all of these fresh dumplings in a Ziploc bag right away, they'll all stick together, and when you pull them out later, it's gonna be a whole big mess that you can't peel apart. So you can cook your dumplings any way you want to. You could boil them, you could steam them in a bamboo steamer like this, or you could pan fry them the same way you would pan fry any store-bought frozen dumpling or fresh dumpling. Please share your dumpling creations with us at City of Lake Oswego on Instagram and hashtag LO Together and Living Well Connected.